Good morning, it's a Sunday, it's raining, it's time for Cov Half. Last year we were enjoying the sunshine outside as we were waiting. This year everybody's still trying to huddle inside, trying to stay dry for as long as possible. It's a bit like 2 years ago. Will we be running through rivers on some of the roads? We shall see. But I had to be here despite having had a bit of an injury and not really running at all since my 50 miler. I'm hoping I can get round Cov Half because I love it. I love being in my local city with people I know. I know there'll be supporters out for my running club on the way round. It's going to be fun. It'll be a blast, even if we are going to get a bit damp. Time to make our way to the start.
Good luck to you. It's so nice to see some people here. Be careful. You're all right, mate. Good luck, Rob.
So we're off in the rain. It seemed to ease slightly just before we started, then it started pouring it down again. But starting off, running up into the city centre, we do a little circuit of the city centre, then it's off into the countryside round Olseley, out through the city. Morning! There's certainly some big puddles round as we come towards the end of our little lap of the city centre and start to head out. And that's it, under the ring road, out we go from the city centre and we start climbing as well. Past the fire station.
Great!
Cheers, guys! Thank you. Morning! Despite the rain, there's still some great support on the way around, including some steel drums to give us a bit of encouragement. Having a blast, even if we are a bit damp. 4 miles ticked off, which means we're counting down in single figures now, and I just managed to get a complete sluicing from a deep puddle. Out of the city now and heading into Olseley village, and some decent hills about to start. Hooray! My father-in-law there cheering me on. Good to see him. And a bit of a party atmosphere as you enter Olseley village. Always fun. Well, Lindsay! So for anyone who's done the Northbrook 10k, you know this section. Only on the 10k, you're running down it. We've got to run up it. This is the long drag up out of Olseley village. When we turn the corner on this, however, we get a nice steady descent back into the city. But first, up we go. That's something I'm hoping I don't need, a treatment centre. Keep steadily running upwards. There's Stu just gone by, pacing 2 hours. Got a little loopy bit to make sure we get the full distance in. Seven miles ticked off, which means we're over halfway, and we've just a mile to go before we start the long descent back into Coventry as well. So not far to go of undulating roads. And that's it, 8 mile point passed, which means we've got the long descent back into the city now. Let's stretch those legs out. 10 miles done, parkrun to go, and a choir to sing us on our way. The city is appearing in sight now. I can see the city centre ahead as we drop back down into it. Cheers, guys! Start your army! Cheers, guys! We're on the last little kicker of a hill before we descend back into the city centre. We're descending into the city now. Finish line is within smelling distance, or is that just my armpits? Down we go, and under the ring road in just a moment. First just got to pass the fire station, and then a last little bit of looping of the city centre before they're rather mean and make us run up a hill to the finish by the cathedral. Back past the Belgrade Theatre, we're heading in to the inner circle of the city now. We're just finishing off the circuit of the city that we started at the beginning, coming up towards the Transport Museum, under the Whittle Arches, and back up to the cathedral. That's the plan now. Turning the corner, and then it's up to that finish line. There we go. Come on. Come on, mate. Keep it up. All the way. Another Cov Half medal to add to the collection. We've done it. A week ago, I wasn't even sure if I was going to be able to run it. I knew 2 hours was probably too much to hope for. We're just over 2 hours, but we got round. So I'm quite pleased just to have been able to complete another Cov Half and enjoy the experience. Oh, and what a better place to finish than right here by the cathedral. St Michael watching over us. Got into some warm clothes, dry clothes after that. Time to go and get a pub lunch and meet up with the family now, I think. Hope you've enjoyed a little adventure around Coventry Half Marathon. If you've enjoyed this one, then do check out last year's Coventry Half Marathon, or maybe check out my 50-mile run around Shropshire, which is the reason I was injured and wasn't even sure if I was going to be able to do this Cov Half. But we will see you on another little adventure soon. Bye!